Welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, we are going to actually go ahead and let me show you exactly the solution for the last lecture, which was replacing some of these links here in the shopping cart, right? Oh, by the way, look at the test.php is actually showing the errors now, all right? So it is working now. I told you it was going to take a couple minutes, and now it is working. So we're good to go. We're showing some errors there, okay? So now let's go to a shopping cart right here, and we click on it, and now you can see that we add stuff to it, right? We're good to go. But then these links were not working. So I went ahead, actually, let me see if I did already. I went ahead and replaced all the links, like for example, in the cart.php, of course, that's where we are. We got this working here, right? Tool, and then resources, right? We got that working. Then I replaced every public there. I took it off. All right, sorry about that. So we are redirecting to the right page right now to check out. All right, so make sure that that's working for you, and then you click save. So now if I go to my shopping cart and I click right here, then I'll go down and you can see that it is working, and I can go up and we can even delete. All right, so that's working perfect. So hopefully you were able to do that, and if you weren't, don't worry about it. I got your back on that. Another thing that we need to fix also is actually this link right here when we go to admin. I think we're done with homepage for now. All right, and we have a problem later on, we'll fix it, but we are done with it for now. All right, so let's go to admin. All right, now one thing that I want you to make sure that you do is remember that we have in public.html and then resources. All right, we have our uploads, our templates, and our cart.php. Sometimes this is not, for some reason you're not going to see some stuff here, some data. Make sure that you refresh, log in, log out, because it's very easy for our servers to not show some information. Sometimes it just bugs. All right, so anyway, let's go to our admin right here and fix this. So let's go to a cPanel. Let's go to go back a couple times, index, and then right click and co-edit. That's what we need to do. Edit. And then here we got some conditions here. We need to fix this condition to go to the right path. I'm just going to take all that off. Make sure that it checks for admin, /admin, and then /. And then here is /admin, /index.php. Save, come back to admin and refresh. Now we should get a dashboard. Pretty cool, right? All right, perfect. So now here we got an order here, and if we click here, it's gonna give us this error here because we need to actually fix the path on this page right here. All right, remember we need to fix the path for all our templates, since we have our templates in the public directory now. All right, so let's go back a little bit. Let's go to templates, then back templates, and then delete order. Right click and co-edit. I'm just going to show you how to do one or two, so that way you know exactly how to do the rest. So what it is that we need to go back, right? Let's see how many we need to go back. So let's go back once, let's go back 2 times, let's go back 3 times. Actually, if you are confused about this, go to home page. All right, go to your public, well, that's the home directory, and as you can see right now, you see that in resources not showing anything. This is what I was talking about, the refreshing, and let's see if the refreshing works. Let's go to home, public_html, then resources. There we go, now we're good. All right, and then templates, and then back. All right, I'm just showing you how to go back. Okay, so from the delete order, we need to go back 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and then we got to get into resources. All right, so as you can see right here, we only have 2, 3, and 4, and then resources. All right, save. All right, let's go and check that link out now. Let's see if that link works. Click. And now the only thing wrong with that link is that it's redirecting us to the wrong page because we have the wrong path. So we need to go back to that specific link and we need to delete this public from it. All right, and what you can do also is that you can do replace all in your editor, and you can replace this before you even upload it to the server if you want. All right, or you can just override your file. So you can go to your editor like mine. I can go and do like here on Sublime Text. I can go say find in files, and then I can find everything that's like, for example, public, and replace it with something like admin or something like that. So you can do replace all on some of the editors. All right, that will save you a lot of time to do. All right, so I think this is going to redirect to the right place now. Save, and let's go back. Oh, it already deleted it once I went back to the file. All right, so we got that. All right, so it should be working, and if you want to test that out, all you have to do is go to your cPanel. I'm going to right click and open a new tab. All right, and what you want to do is go to your PHP admin and insert some information. All right, and that will help you debug this a little more. Insert, just like we did in localhost. Order amount, whatever. Let's just put something with numbers. Transaction, order status. Let's put completed. And currency USD for me. Now if we go back to admin and click reports, it shows right here, and we click on it, it will delete it. All right, so hopefully you got that right. All right, again, this can get a little confusing with the path. That's why I was showing you how to do it, from going to home directory, public, and let's go back again there. Make sure that we are in the right public, because we got public FTP and we got public underscore HTML. So make sure that you click on the right one. All right, so I was showing you how to go back and count the directories. All right, so you can use those dots to go back. But anyway, on the next lecture, we're going to continue fixing these links here to make our application work online. Again, remember that we are transitioning from a localhost environment where we can go back and forth with our links with no problem, but here on the web we have some security measures that we have to overcome, since some hosting providers like GoDaddy place these securities there in place, so that way our applications don't get hacked. So, but it makes things a little hard for us, but that's okay. For future references, now we know that we can't really link we can't really use these links the way we were using them in localhost. All right, so we GoDaddy. So anyway, thank you so much, and I'll see you in another lecture.